Good day to all employer. My name is Winbagtas Fernando. I am from Philippines, 29 years old, married with one daughter, age 11 years old. I worked before here in my country as a domestic helper and nanny, and I serve 5 members of family, 2 adults and 3 children, age 1, 4, and 7 years old. From November 2018 to December 2022. After that, I worked in Hong Kong as a domestic helper and I served 3 members of family, 2 adults and 1 elderly aged 87 years old. From February 16, 2023 to January 5, 2024. I know how to taking care elderly, kids, baby, and newborn. And also, I know how to cook, marketing, car washing, cleaning, and wash and ironing clothes. To all employer, I am hardworking, fast learner, honest, and trustworthy person. Thank you.